great things about me, I'm going to say great things about him.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
It's a good ride right now on Route 95 either way, passing Lonsdale Ave. You're good to go both ways on Route 146 at Charles Street, and 195 does fine over the Mass State line. If you see trouble, call the Providence Auto Body tip line, 866-999-7200. I'm Jackie Murphy with your Southern New England traffic.
With Merrill Guided Investing, you have the option to work with an advisor at a low cost and minimum. Get started at merrilledge.com/investing-goals. Merrill Lynch, Pierce, Fenner, and Smith Incorporated, both a registered broker-dealer and investment advisor. Member SIPC.
Now, the Rush Limbaugh Update, proudly sponsored by Mike's Professional Tree Service.
On Monday, Apple announced that they're going to spend $2.5 billion of their own dollars to help fix the affordable housing crisis in California. Within hours of this announcement, Democrat presidential candidate Crazy Bernie launched a vicious attack on Apple. Sanders accused Apple, private company, of hypocrisy. He claimed that Apple helped create California's housing crisis.